Hey MVP Plumbing, my name is Lee Turbienic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I give you and do it for yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of our time. The first thing I want to go over is content. Content is anything that is on your homepage. It all has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere, or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. Now Google likes to typically see around 1,500 to 2,000 words of keyword-rich optimized content. Now let's look at your homepage here. You don't really have much content to be able to fit any keywords throughout your homepage here. So I'd say maybe 100 to 200 words. Let's go over and check out your competition, which is this Roto-Rooter Hero. This is his San Fernando, California service page, location page. He's got maybe 500 words, 3 to 500 words on his page, so he's beating you out in that aspect. And this is just his service page, his location page. So the next thing I want to go over is I want to bring up Google. First thing that we see on Google is ads. It's broke down into 3 sections: your ads, your Google My Business, and then the organic section. Now this first place is ads up here. People pay to be up here. It's usually businesses that aren't, pulling too much business or trying to pull a ton of business very fast. They'll place ads, but it can get costly if it's not done right. And you don't really need to place ads if you're ranking in the top 3 here, or if you're ranking on the first page or in the top here on this section. So that's your ads. The second section is GMB. This is the Google My Business. So MVP Plumbing, you guys are, I think, 5th or 6th. You're not in the top 3, so that's hurting you. But if we go down, we see you guys right here, most valuable plumber. But a lot of people don't click into there and go there. They need a plumber. They need them fast. They need it now. They click and call right here. So what gets you ranked in this section is a citation. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web in directories such as Yellow Pages, Yext, City Star, White Pages, even Facebook's one of them. More citations you have with the more reviews and pictures on your GMB listing will rank you higher. Now Google also likes to see you have constant reviews, 1 to 2 a week. That also builds trust with Google and will rank you higher. Now, the third thing I want to go over is the organic section down here. So we scroll down, we see that the first guy in the top position is Roto Hero. These are Angie's List and this is Yelp, which are citation sites. They're directories. But the first guy is the Roto Hero. Now, I want to touch base on his site really quick because I noticed this on your site and this is affecting you guys. So you see on Roto Hero he has his service page right here, but he has all his service pages listed, or his location pages. There should be a tab up here on your site and on everybody's site with locations that states all the locations, whatever cities, and you could click on it. Each of those will contain the keywords per that city, so you can rank your pages individually. Like here, he has them all listed, but let's click in one and I'm going to show you an example. So Agora Hills, we're clicking on that. Now you can see he has his own specific content for this location page, and this is going to rank in Agora Hills for when somebody types in plumber Agora Hills. So in here he should have, see, he has plumber near me, but he should have whatever keywords are for this, like plumber in Agora Hills. I bet you that's one. Plumbing Agora Hills, plumber near me Agora Hills. Now I went to your page and you don't have those location pages. You have it listed, but you can't click on them, so you won't rank individually. So I suggest getting content for each one of these, since these are the service areas that you go to. and ranking each of these, which I could help with immensely. We could get the content built. We could find the keywords per city for plumber or whatever services you want to offer in them, and place them throughout the content for each of those service pages. So I just wanted to touch base on that real quick because I noticed that on your page. But anyways, so we go back, we see that he is first. So I put his site into this tool I use called Ahrefs, which is what will give me your overall view of your site. And here you guys have a 19 and 1, which is your UR and DR. Now, that's not a very great score. You want this to be higher. This goes 0 to 100. Now, this DR is your backlink profile rating. So you don't have a strong backlink profile rating at the moment, which also I can help with that as well too. And you're only ranking for 18 keywords. So a backlink is what ranks you in this organic section. Now that is any other website that refers back to your site. So you want to get, and they're not created equal, you want to get other sites that are similar to your site giving you backlinks. It's like if Pizza Hut were to give you guys a backlink, it wouldn't be as powerful as another plumbing directory or website that has a guest post that's referring back to your site. That would make it powerful. So I put in your competition, Roto Hero, but this is just his San Fernando service city page, and you can see he has a 25 and 49. His 49 is his backlink power. He's got 40 referring domains giving him 1.2k. You have 42 only getting 117, and they're not very strong. So I have access to a pool of backlinks, very strong, that would take you guys to the top. And he only has 9 organic keywords on this San Fernando. But if we were to take out this San Fernando, we could really see what his full site is doing. Oop, let's go back here. Copy that. Let's put his actual site without the service page in it and see what his numbers are. Now this is his full site. This is what you guys should be doing. Your main site should be transferring power to your service pages, which is what he's doing. It makes it easier to rank. So this is Roto Heroes. Look at, give it a second here to load up. 44 and a 49. You want these numbers to be as close as possible and high as possible. His whole site's got 1,000 referring domains with 22,000 backlinks. He's got 7.5k keywords. He's getting 22,000 traffic to his site, and he's pulling in $590,000. This is monthly. So what we would do is we would go in, find what keywords he has and which ones he's getting traffic from, and whatever ones is to the areas too, like plumber Los Angeles, that's getting 1,200 searches monthly. This is your monthly volume, and this is the KD, how hard it is to rank for that word. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. So if it's in the 30s, that means there's, some websites that are trying to rank for this. But if it was at 0, that means no one has this keyword really, maybe 1 or 2 guys that are battling for it. So the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. So we would just scroll through all his plumbers, Los Angeles, 1,200, but it's got a 30, so it would take maybe 3 to 6 months to rank for that. So we want to go down, plumber service, 600 searches a month, and it's a 3 KD. Drain cleaning service, 1,200 searches, 9. Sewer line replacement near me, 500 searches, 3. See, and he's in the second position. We know we could beat him out, so if you would start doing that, he's pulling 74 traffic. This is how much traffic he's getting from that keyword. 74 just from that keyword. 75, 83. So there is a lot of adjustments you guys can make to your content. And overall, content is everything. Google can only read, so that's all it can do to know anything. So if you don't have the right content with optimized keywords throughout it, you're missing out on a lot of business. So anyways, let's go over what I spoke about. The first thing I wanted to talk about again was the content. You need at least 1,500 words on your homepage with keywords throughout it, whatever keywords are low KD with high search volume. Second was citations. You want to have at least 200 to 300 citations get you ranking in this GMB section here, which you guys are like 7, so you're not far off. But if you were to start adding more, you could beat them. The certified plumber near you, he has, let's go in and see how many citations he had. He has 21. You have 29, so you're beating him in that aspect, but these aren't created equal either. You may have 29, but some of them can be spammy. Like I said, it's the same as a backlink as well. So, see, it's not showing 29. It's only showing maybe 13. So, it's up to how different they are powerful wise as well. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was this organic section and the backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. If you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with, and you can do it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing back from you guys, and I hope you guys learned something today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.